Okay. Next reaction is with HBr. What is given? Constant boiling HBr, and its concentration is given. It's 48%. It is used by preparing alkyl. Used for preparing alkyl bromide. Primary alkyl bromide can also be prepared by the reaction with NaBr and H2SO4. We know that HBr and HI are highly reactive. Highly reactive means they are less stable. So whenever required, they are freshly prepared. So it is given that HBr is generated in C2. C2 means in a reaction mixture, or whenever required it is freshly prepared. See, I have mentioned here meaning of this term. C2 means in reaction mixture. So it is not like prepared separately and then used in the reaction. Whenever reaction is going on, ROH is mixed with RBr and H2SO4. RBr H2SO4 react with each other to form HBr, and then that HBr reacts with ROH. Okay, precaution is taken that alcohol should not react with this reagents. Okay, so that is called as C2. C2 means in reaction mixture. So HBr is unstable, so no isolation is easy. So whenever it is required, it is freshly prepared. Same is true for HI. So like for the preparation of HBr, we use NaBr and H2SO4. Similarly, for the preparation of HI, HI is also prepared in C2. And for preparation of HI, we can use NaI and H3PO4. H3PO4, we call it as phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is also good dehydrating agent. Okay. Instead of NaI, we can use Ki. In the explanation, they have given somewhere sodium or potassium iodide. Yes. So I have written here condition NaI H3PO4 or Ki H3PO4. In old book, this condition was not given on the arrow. In new syllabus, this condition is mentioned. So please note this point. So Ri is obtained by using alcohol and HI is obtained by preparing NaI by using NaI and H3PO4 or Ki and H3PO4. So here one question they have asked, why H3PO4 is used and not H2SO4? So its answer is, if we use H2SO4, so alcohol will undergo dehydrohalogenation and we will get alkene and not alkyl halide. That's the reason why we have to use phosphoric acid instead of sulfuric acid. Okay, next, this is reaction with HX. Now next point, that is reaction with different phosphorus halides by using phosphorus halides. So here two types of phosphorus halides are there. One is PX3 and other is PX5. They have given directly here PCl5. Already we discussed that PBr5 and PI5, they do not exist. Even in PX3, PCl3 is stable. PBr3 and PI3 are unstable. Phosphorus tribromide and triiodide are usually generated in C2, produced in the reaction mixture. How is it prepared? Red phosphorus on bromine, by action of red phosphorus on bromine and iodine respectively. Means if we take here PCl3, then no need of writing any condition on arrow. Directly we will get RCl plus H3PO3. But suppose we want to prepare RBr, then we have to write here PBr3, and on arrow condition will be red phosphorus plus Br2. Similarly for Pi3, condition will be red phosphorus plus I2. Okay. One more important thing, whenever we use phosphorus trihalide, always byproduct is H3PO3, that is phosphorus acid. And with PCl5, it is just exchange. OH is replaced by Cl. One H combines with Cl to form HCl. Phosphorus, oxygen and remaining 3 chlorine, they combine to form POCl3, which we call as phosphorus oxychloride, or it is also called as phosphoryl chloride. And the last method of preparation of alkyl halide by using alcohol is reagent used in this reaction is thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride, also called as sulfonyl chloride, it is SOCl2, and this is the best method for the preparation of alkyl halide, because byproducts obtained are gases. So they have mentioned here in bold font, like no need to put extra efforts for its separation, because gases are removed from the reaction mixture and directly we get RCl, ROH plus SO2 plus on arrow heat, and we get RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. SO2 and HCl both are in the gas form, so upward arrow must be there. In the old book there was pyridine, but in the new book they have not mentioned pyridine here. So this is first method of preparation, conversion of alkyl halide into conversion of alcohol into alkyl halide.